Hello and welcome to NHS Law Firm. Today I want to walk you through some of the key aspects of probate, estate administration, and the disputes that can arise during the process. Understanding these areas is essential to ensuring your loved one's wishes are respected and that any conflicts are resolved as smoothly as possible. Well, I think the first thing to cover is probate. Probate is the legal process of validating a deceased person's will and making sure their estate is distributed according to their wishes. Now, if there's no will, the estate will be divided based on state laws, which is something we help our clients navigate. Probate can involve several important steps, and it's really crucial to make sure everything is done correctly. So the first step, that would be filing the will. The executor named in the will has to file it with the probate court. If there's no will, the court appoints an administrator to manage the estate. Then the executor has to notify all beneficiaries and creditors about the probate proceedings. This is usually done through mailed notices and a public announcement in a local newspaper. Next up is the inventory process. This involves making a detailed list of the deceased's assets, everything from real estate to personal property, and debts. This inventory is then submitted to the court. After that, the estate's assets are used to pay off any outstanding debts and taxes. And finally, what's left is distributed to the beneficiaries according to the will or state law. Now, estate administration is a bit broader. It includes probate, but can involve some additional steps, especially for more complex estates. The key responsibilities in estate administration include appointing an executor or administrator, managing the estate's assets, handling any claims from creditors, and preparing the necessary tax returns. Unfortunately, not all estates go through this process without some bumps in the road. Disputes are fairly common. For example, there might be a will contest where someone challenges the validity of the will, or there could be disagreements over how the executor is managing the estate. Sometimes beneficiaries might have conflicts over asset distribution, or there could be disputes about creditor claims. And if there's no will, intestate succession issues might come up where the estate is divided according to state laws, which can sometimes lead to disagreements. Well, all of this can seem pretty overwhelming, right? That's why having professional guidance is so important. Here at NHS Law Firm, we've helped many families navigate probate and estate administration with ease. Our team of experienced attorneys ensures that all the legal requirements are met, offers strategic advice to minimize taxes, and helps avoid potential disputes. We also provide that objective perspective, which can really help mediate conflicts and keep things moving smoothly. So if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out and make an appointment with us at NHS Law. Here for your call.